Hi, this video is to demonstrate how to use the dishwasher that has been filled. As you can see, you've got the cutlery at the top, cups in the middle, and plates at the bottom. Okay. Ready to launch. First, we take a capsule that should be in this bag and we put it in the receptacle here. We close it. About to close the door. Now we turn it on with this button. Then we can choose various modes. Okay. Won't go too much into the details, but eco mode is a safe one to go for. You can see it's blinking. When we're ready to go, press start. So it stopped blinking. Now it's ready to go as soon as we close the door. Let's try. As you can see, a little lights at the bottom, and we can hear the dishwasher starting its cycle. That's it for today. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more help on stuff like this. Goodbye.